The rest of us, we wait here.
So long as it goes.
Camera guys with the phone down there. They were very nice to us. They are now putting
which is going into the system. So we want to welcome you, sir, for a tour of the...
Tumpige makofi wakati anazindua the commemorative flag. Thank you. It is so
supported by another project that your government again has facilitated. The 4 sub-counties that is applied through this project consists of Game, which is here, and Alego Usonga, which is here. Then we have Bondo, which is here, and we have Rarieda, which is here. So those sub-counties can be supported from this particular project. Your Excellency, you are standing right at this place, and the blue lines you see are the facilities, the pipelines that were put under the Bondo Water Supply Project, the one you are commissioning. The green ones you see are the ones which are intensifying supply to the various communities and people so that more and more people have access to the water that we are treating in this particular place. The unique thing about this project, Your Excellency, is that we are not using electricity. And if we were to use electricity, we'd be paying 2.5 million shillings per month. But that now is not a burden for the people of Siaya County, and therefore it is affordable, and therefore more people have access. 2.7 billion shillings on these 2 projects. When we started this project, only 45,000 people were getting access to clean and safe water. With the interventions that your government has put in place, we are adding 151,000 people being connected and receiving clean water, and the total is 201,000 people. So this is a very good number of people that we have brought into connectivity. And this project also has a sanitation component. Before this project was brought on board, there was no sewerage facility in Siaya and Bondo towns. These are major towns. And with the SIBO project that we did first, we spent 630 million, and we brought on board 8,000 people connected to the sewer line. With this last mile connectivity project that you are going to launch today, we are going to bring another 2,000 people into the connection, and 10,000 therefore will be safely disposing of their waterborne waste. In total, sir, Your Excellency, you have supported this project at Siaya County on water issues, on only this project, because there are other projects, with 3 billion Kenya shillings.